This video was sponsored by Yeedi, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at their latest robot vacuum, but there's a catch. This isn't your ordinary robo vacuum, as this actually does have self-empty capabilities. Now what separates this robo compared to other ones in the marketplace is that this one actually does it at an affordable price tag. Not only is the unboxing experience extremely easy, but the base itself, it's really luxurious and actually has a lock-in mechanism, something that I've seen a lot of self-empty robo vacuums lack. Now it does use this bag, which is said to be able to hold up to 30 days worth of cleaning, and it's really easy to replace as well as remove. Now this robo vacuum does things differently. It actually has a 360 camera on top. This oddly looking camera on top, I believe, maps the ceiling of the household, because when you launch the app, you do have the capability to see the entire room layout once it's done scanning everything, but you can also create little invisible barriers. So if you like to actually trap it in a certain place or command it to not cross a certain room, you could easily do so. All super easy with its own native app, which is really user friendly, and you could actually create different maps too. So if you live like in a 2-story home, you're more than capable to create different map layouts. Now this is a single brush corner robot vacuum and uses a brush mechanism that you see right here on the very bottom. This basically sucks up everything. Now there is 3 suction settings you can select from if you really need it. The maximum can go up to 3000 PA of suction, which when it comes to running over large objects like some Skittles, it does a good job, which is good news. And if you're wondering how quiet it is, it's pretty quiet, honestly. Here's a little sound clip of the standard suction mode. Now here it is again, but this time on maximum suction. It impresses me how quiet it is, to be honest. Now the design and the feel and the quality, it's actually really cool. I'm not used to seeing a white robot vacuum. Majority of them, the standard color obviously is black. This white design look that it has going on not only makes the whole unit look sci-fi, but still very modern and shouldn't have any issues blending in on any modern day household. Now if you do go into the settings, you could easily navigate the setting menu of course, but you have the capability to allow this robot to know to do 2 passes in a single room instead of the standard 1. So you have that capability to do that, which I really do like. And it doesn't just randomly bump into walls and stuff like that, even though it does have like a little safety bumper right here, a sensor that allows it to understand or know if it's bumping into something. It does have that, which is quite nice. But if you keep going down here in this section, there is an advanced avoid objects setting. I highly recommend enabling this, especially when you have like pets or kids or even cables on the floor and stuff like that. The robot's smart enough to actually see that and go around it, which is quite neat. And don't worry about the edges. The brush is long enough that I can actually grab it and grab any debris or anything like that that's on the edge of a wall. So it could easily suck it up. So even though it doesn't rub against the edges, this is a good thing because it doesn't just scratch your baseboard paint. It actually keeps it mint and prevents it from leaving marks and stuff. That's typically what like other robot vacuums typically do. The ones that don't have sensors, they typically just bump into everything and scratch stuff. Now you may have noticed, yes, this robot can actually mop as well. Just however, I'm unable to really test this due to the fact that I have real hardwood floors and it's not recommended using liquids like this to clean it up. But you do have the mopping capability, and here's the mechanism that you use to like quickly attach, so it could vacuum and mop at the same time. Something that's somewhat rare in my opinion, because normally robot vacuums could either do vacuuming and then mop. But this one does it both at the same time. And for demonstration purposes, I did equip it on the robot to see how it performs. And I noticed, unlike other ones, it doesn't drag. It actually does some motional pushing motion, as you can see right here. And when it comes to cleaning up ketchup stains, it does it pretty easy, effortlessly. And in case you're wondering, the microfiber mopping attachment, this mechanism, is indeed removable, so you can easily wash it. So this in grand total was everything. Retails for around $499, which isn't bad because it has all the advanced sensors and tracking that a robot vacuum twice the cost would also have. So for something that's half the cost, this isn't bad. And yes, there's this little sensor down here where it can detect and identify carpets and rugs and hardwood floors, so it can adapt the suction on the go, and it's smart enough not to fall off the stairs, if you're wondering. So it's advanced and extremely modern. So not bad, yeedi. I'm definitely impressed for its value. If you'd like to find out more about this robot vacuum, I'll be sure to have a link and their store and more information about this robot vacuum in the video description down below, and keep an eye out in case there's like a promotion or something going on in the video description down below. Now thank you yeedi once more for sponsoring today's video, and it was a pleasure opportunity working with you guys. Again, link to everything in the video description down below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching, take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.